Hello guys, and welcome once again to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna give you a lot of cleaning motivation. I'm gonna clean up, I'm gonna tidy up, I'm not deep cleaning, I'm just gonna clean and tidy up. The house is not dirty, it's just messy. This week I was a little under the weather. I was very tired, very fatigued. Lupus was kicking my ass this week, so therefore I slacked off. But today I'm feeling much better. You know, if you know anything about lupus, you know that some days are up and some days are down. One day you could be out for the count, like you're dying. You wake up and you're like you have all the energy in the world. So you got to take advantage of the little boost of energies that you got to take care of what you got to take care of. So today I woke up, I had a doctor's appointment. I had my shot, took my medication, and I have the boost of energy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of that energy, if you understand what I mean. So as you know, when I do my cleaning videos, I don't like to talk a lot. I like to put music, just in case you're watching my video and you're using my video as, you know, music to motivate you. I try not to do a lot of talking and interrupting the music. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I love, if I change the way I love, if I change, if I change the way I love, if I change the way I love. Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one that you need? Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I change my mind, baby, we got time to make this right. Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. 고요하던 내 하루에 한 송이 작은 들꽃처럼 넌 피어나. 나도 몰래 조금씩 온통 내 머릿속을 네 향기로 채우고, 쌀 같은 너의 미소가 아파 점점 어려워. 네 옆에 그 사람 참 예뻐 보여. 참아 전하지 못했던 내 진심, 이렇게라도 날 고백할게. 몇 번이고 되뇌이는 그 말, I wish you were mine.
And also at this time, I would like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. You guys are amazing. And if you are not subscribed yet and you like this content, please consider subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and hitting that notification bell so you could get notified when I upload. Okay, and once again, thank you to all my loyals that have been here from day one, and all the new ones that have been coming in. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the Crazy Sanchez shenanigans. So therefore, welcome to the family. Welcome. Entra, entra, vente, 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 vente. The more the merrier.
쌀 같은 너의 미소가 아파 점점 어려워. 네 옆에 그 사람 참 예뻐 보여. 참아 전하지 못했던 내 진심, 이렇게라도 날 고백할게. 몇 번이고 보자마전 하지 못했던 내 진심 이렇게라도 나 고백할게 몇 번이고 되뇌이는 그 말 I wish you were mine 이 감정도 언젠가는 색이 바래 지나간 사랑이 이사할게 비록 지금은 삼켜보는 그 말 I wish you were mine yeah. There's something about you I wish you were mine I remember the first time we met face to face kiss on my neck how could I forget something that hasn't happened yet I'm wasting my time losing my mind over all this wasted time I know I'm impatient, but baby, give me a chance. I'll do whatever you say.